In 1985, I wasn't married. I was elected in April, actually on 10th of April 1985. And I had to get married that same year because I knew if I delayed, kungekuwa na shida. You wouldn't know mtu anakupenda kwa sababu wewe ni mbunge ama wewe uko na mambo mengine. So I married Pauline very quickly by December. So a young man and daughter wamezaliwa na familia ya somebody who is a practicing political leader. I don't know whether Kennedy and Kevin are here. Is Kevo there? Kevo? Just join me, Kevo. Just come over. Kevo, we thank God for what he has done for that young man. He was almost crushed by a 20-tire lorry. And we thank God he survived. Anybody who witnessed that accident will know it was a terrible, terrible accident. And if it wasn't, for example, for the quick response of Governor Wavinya, maybe Kevo will not be with us. We thank you so much for what you did. Governor Wavinya had to cancel the trip to Kinshasa to save this young man. And then Kennedy is here. He's a member for IALA. These are my clansmates. The younger one, Klein, is not here today, but he's, I'm sure, following these proceedings. And so also their sibling daughter, Moito Damari, out pursuing her studies in the UK. So on behalf of Pauline and all of us, tunawakaribisha. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know whether anybody wants to say anything. Yeah, thank you so much. Munaona nimeanza kuwa kazee. Kwa nachezea mimi. Msinichezee.